Ready to reclaim the disk space from your Ubuntu partition and say goodbye to dual booting. Boot into Windows, then search for Disk Management in the Start menu, and open it. Identify your Ubuntu partition. It'll likely be formatted as Linux file system with no drive letter. Right-click on that Ubuntu partition and choose Delete Volume. Confirm the deletion to free up the space it uses is the first step in removing Ubuntu. Following the deletion, you'll see the now freed space marked as unallocated. Right-click on your Windows or your primary operating system partition. Within the context menu, select Extend Volume. Following the wizard lets you merge the unallocated drive space into your primary partition. To clean up the boot menu, search for and open Nisconfig from the Start menu, which accesses System Configuration. Under the Boot tab, locate and select the Ubuntu entry, then click the Delete button to stop it from showing on your system startup screen. Click Apply, then OK. You'll be prompted to restart your computer to put these changes into effect. The computer will then boot directly into Windows. Ubuntu is successfully removed from your system.